Let's move on then. Hero MotoCorp is one of the big movers today. And this is an exclusive conversation with CNBC-TV18's Parikshit Luthra, where he chatted with the management and they revealed that the company may not hike prices significantly in the near future. They also ruled out acquisition of an EV player, Ather. Listen in.
If you take, let's say, India inflation, the inflation in India has been close to around 6%, yeah, broadly, give or take. Our price hike over the last 4 quarters would also be in that vicinity. Yeah. So therefore, it generally mirrors, has mirrored that. The last quarter hike was very marginal. It was, I think, around 1%, less than 1%. So I think the market can absorb such marginal hikes that what we have seen. The commodities have by and large stabilized, I would say. And therefore, from here on, the need for any significant price hike would be less, I would say.
So no more price hikes in the offing?
I mean, what I'm saying is that we keep looking at prices not just based on inflation, but also based on our product positioning. For instance, we keep upgrading our products, like we put in X-Tech variants. So it's more a product market fit that will drive, is what we feel. We don't see significant inflationary pressures driving the pricing up. So moving forward, probably you could assume that any price changes should be of a lesser magnitude than in the past, and should be easily absorbed by the market. That's what I would say.
Right. Now, what would be your priorities for the remaining part of this fiscal? You've had some big ticket launches.
Yeah.
You have the VIDA portfolio as well.
Yeah.
What are your priorities going to be for the remaining part of the year?
See, I'll tell you, first, obviously, to ensure that it's a good festive, strong festive. And we are all confident about that. We are geared for that. As we move forward, I take more medium term, let's say 4 to 8 quarters, yeah, is what we call. One, of course, are the core, which is the entry segment, dealer segment. We still feel that there's a lot of headroom to get people in, to make sure that there are wheels in every home, every household.
You increased your stake in Ather.
Yep.
Where does it stand currently? 550 crores that went from Hero MotoCorp.
Yeah.
This was a strategic investment.
Yes.
What does it really go towards building?
So this is basically any of the players, obviously they need to keep raising money, whether it is on their products, which is the product development, or the operational P&L, which is there for EV companies. The operational P&L still not positive. All of us know that. So it's a combination of the entire business growth towards which it goes in terms of the money that they raise. We have continued to support Ather. We continue to back that because we believe that it's not about, it's more about building the category. And right now the EV category needs to be built up, and there's space for a good number of 2-3 strong premium brands. And Ather has done well in that direction. Our stake currently stands at around 37.5% as far as Ather is concerned. And that's what, in terms of, when we say strategic, obviously we don't treat it as a financial investment, but we are looking at Ather from a medium to long-term point of view.
Okay, and there's always been talk of buying a bigger share, maybe acquiring Ather as a company. Would you rule that out sometime in future?
No, look, Parikshit, I mean, in a sense that Ather is doing well. We continue to support them with our advice. Both the companies have started working collaboratively on multiple directions as well. So I would say there is, as of now, there is actually, we don't see a need to consider that or explore that. And obviously the board continues to take from time to time the necessary evaluation of all the investments as to what we should do, like any other listed company's board.
Right.
Whether you should hike up, whether you should go down, divest. Those are decisions that board keeps taking from time to time.